Hello everyone, especially to all the teachers out there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Teacher Way TV. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to make your own electronic signature or e-signature for your documents. But before that, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my thanks to all my subscribers in supporting my channel. And if you are just new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next video. Please like, share, and comment down below if you have something to say on my video. Alright, ang paggawa ng e-signature ay maaaring gawin sa laptop at cellphone. Kunyari, ito ang aking signature. Ang una nating gawin ay isulat lang ang ating signature on a sheet of paper. Pagkatapos ay kunan ito ng picture. Then, open your browser or search engine at itype nyo lang sa search box ang remove BG. Once nahanap na ng inyong browser ang remove BG, i-click nyo lang yan at press upload image. I-browse nyo lang at hanapin ang picture ng inyong signature at click done. Hintayin lang natin na ma-process ang ating picture. Kung tapos na, click download. Congratulations! You have already created your e-signature. Now, let us try our e-signature. Now, open a document on your laptop and connect to your phone. Kung na-open na ang inyong document, nalalagyan mo ng e-signature. Connect your phone to your laptop to transfer your e-signature. Then, insert your e-signature and paste it to your document. Resize your e-signature if necessary so that you can affix it properly above your name. Alright, you have now successfully attached your signature on your document. It is now ready to be sent online. Congratulations! Now, let us compare the picture and our e-signature. As you can see, our e-signature is much better than just a picture of our signature. Alright, that's all for today. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos.